Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did one question from past papers of factor theorem. Today we will do one more question from the same topic, factor theorem. Let's have a look. Question number 10. It is given that fx is equals to 4x cube minus 4x square minus 15x plus 18. Part number 1, show that x plus 2 is a factor of fx. Part number 2, hence factorize fx completely and solve the equation fx is equals to 0. This question came in October-November 2015, paper 2-1 and paper 2-2. So let's solve part number 1. Very easy. First write the polynomial fx is equals to 4x cube negative 4x square negative 15x positive 18. And we have to prove that x plus 2 is a factor, so x should be equals to minus 2. So f of minus 2 should be equals to 0 in order to prove that it is a factor. Negative 2 plus 18. So minus 2 cube into 4 is minus 32. Minus 2 square into 4 is minus 16. Minus 15 into minus 2 is plus 30 and plus 18. So 32 and 16 is negative 48 and 30 plus 18 is positive 48. Answer is 0. Shown. It is proved that it is x plus 2 is a factor. Move to second part. Second part is hence factorize completely. So what we have, a polynomial 4x cube minus 4x square minus 15x plus 18 is equals to, we have already proved that x plus 2 is a factor. Now convert this polynomial, cubic polynomial, into linear and quadratic. So quadratic polynomial must be 4x square. Why? Because when we multiply 4x square by x, we will get 4x cube, and the unknown factor should be bx, and we have to write plus 9 because when we multiply this 9 by this 2, we should get the constant term in the cubic polynomial, that is 18. Now we apply to compare coefficient method in order to get the value of b. So x into bx is bx square and 2 4s are 8x square. The left hand side of square term is negative 4x square. Taking x square is common, b plus 8 is equals to negative 4x square. So b plus 8 is equals to negative 4 and b is equals to negative 12. So put this value of negative 12 in the quadratic factor, that is x plus 2 into 4x square plus bx. b is negative 12x plus 9. Now factorize this quadratic factor. 9 4s are 36 and 6 6 are 36. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 6x, I am applying middle term break method. Taking 2x is common, we will get 2x negative 3. Taking negative 3 is common, 2x negative 3. Hence, x plus 2 into 2x negative 3 into 2x negative 3. This is the answer of first part of part 2. Hence factorize fx completely. The rest of the part is and solve the equation fx is equals to 0. So just write these three factors equals to 0. We will get x is equals to plus 2 becomes negative 2. 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 is x is equals to 3 upon 2, and third one is also 3 upon 2. So repeated root. This is the answer of the whole part 2. So hope you enjoyed today's class where we did question number 9 from past papers. Very easy question. This question came in October November 2015 paper 2-1 as well as paper 2. So I hope you understand completely, but if you have any problem, don't hesitate, write in comment box. I will definitely explain if you have any query, any point in this question or previous exercises or previous lectures. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.